Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still moving at the support of this descending triangle, and at the same time it is testing the critical support and very long-term support of $28,600 as well. And in today's video, I also want to discuss this historical oversold value of this oscillator as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And a few hours back, we have been watching that Bitcoin was testing this critical support of a descending triangle. And I've been telling you that if Bitcoin will break down this support of the triangle, then we can enter in another long-term bear trend, because this support is not only a support of this triangle, this is also a long-term support of $28,600 as well. And on the weekly time frame chart, we can see that Bitcoin is not breaking down this support since after January 2021, when we first broke out this resistance of $28,600. We tested this level as a support here. Again, we tested this support here back in June 2021, and once more we are testing this support. Now, if we take a look at the daily time frame, then we can see that we are again having an accumulation above the support of $28,600. And let me clear one thing again, that I'm expecting that if Bitcoin breaks down this very strong support of $28,600 and also the support of this triangle, then we can move down all the way up to here. That is the 200 weekly simple moving average, and right now it is moving at $22,000 and $22,065. And previous history shows that Bitcoin never breaks down this support of 200 weekly simple moving average. That is, in my point of view, can be a worst case scenario. Now, if we take a look at this oscillator on the weekly time frame, then I've placed this trend line here. That is the historical oversold value of 1.93. And we can see here we touched this support at one point. You can mark the values, by the way, here. Back in December 2018, we touched this oversold value here. That was at 1.93. And if we watch these oversold values from September 2019 to November 2019, then we had the values 2.54 and 2.96. And again, it was oversold here, but did not touch this support. And here we went very close to this support in January 2022. That was a 4.77 value. And right now you can see we have moved very close to this support. And this was the second oversold, second historical oversold value of Bitcoin on the weekly time frame chart by the stochastic oscillator. That is 2.17. Therefore, in my point of view, if this time Bitcoin breaks out this descending triangle, then it can also break out a long-term resistance of the falling wedge pattern that has been formed on this weekly time frame. Here we have the resistance of this falling wedge, and here we have the support of this falling wedge pattern. Then it can also break out this falling wedge pattern, and that can be a start of a new bull trend from here once we will be able to break it out. And Bitcoin can form another higher than previous high. Like every time it is forming higher than previous high, and there will be a probability to form another higher than previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.